In today's video, I'm going to teach you calculate difference between two rows in Power BI. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to compute a difference by creating a calculated column that subtracts one column from another for each row in your table. If you've ever done a quick subtraction in a spreadsheet, this will feel very familiar. Start by heading to the table view of your report using the left-hand bar, then select the table that contains the two fields you want to compare. This is where we'll build the result so you can see it alongside your existing data. Click anywhere inside the table, and then choose New Column from the ribbon at the top. Power BI will add a new field, and open the formula bar where we'll write the logic. Before typing the formula, you can rename the column header to something meaningful, like difference or variance, so your report stays clear and easy to understand. Now, in the formula bar, type the equals sign to start your expression. To reference a column, type an open square bracket. As soon as you do, a drop-down list of all available columns in this table will appear. Start typing the name of the column you want to subtract from, select it from the list, and close the bracket. Next, add a minus symbol to tell Power BI you want to subtract another value. Then open another square bracket and choose the second column, the one you want to subtract. When your expression looks like column A minus column B, press Enter. Power BI will calculate that difference for every row in the table and populate your new column immediately. That's all there is to it. You've created a straightforward subtraction that works row by row, just like in a spreadsheet. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the columns you're subtracting are numeric so the result makes sense, and double-check that you pick the correct fields from the drop-down. If the numbers don't look right, glance back at the formula bar to confirm the column names and the subtraction order. With your new column in place, you can use it in visuals, filters, and further calculations anywhere in your report. It's a simple technique, but it unlocks a lot of flexibility for comparing values side by side. Press Enter, and there you go. Clean, clear differences calculated automatically for each row. That's all.